What type of customer then would you say is shouldn't, wear Azure and may not fit for them? What kind of profile would they look like?
For not fitting a cloud model, I'd say CAD areas.
Yeah.
So there's areas that I've seen when we've looked at trying to get a customer's resources and everything into a cloud environment, but
Yeah.
um, with CAD specifically, say like SolidWorks or I don't think AutoCAD as much, but specifically SolidWorks, it doesn't play well with Azure or cloud, just because of the amount of files that they need to edit and everything around there. It struggles to keep up with the amount of file changes as well as the cost implications
Yeah.
of having those massive files. Um, a better way to approach that would be if you were staying on-prem specifically for your CAD, use something like a NAS drive. So just have that on-site file storage, back that up somewhere,
Yeah.
and you can access it over the local network and get those speeds that you actually require to get there.
Yeah, and that's an option for me. It kind of then you kind of like putting half the company on Azure and
Yeah,
retain half in. And I think there is the CAD alternatives that we can put into the cloud for the
yeah,
virtual desktop, which we have looked at quoting a few times. But I can see where you're coming from that,
yeah,
where it then becomes a cost. It then if you've then got a small kind of office team where a majority are CAD and you've got high data, high IOPS, high in terms of
yeah,
usage, it then very quickly becomes quite an expensive resource to have if it's not being kind of in a larger infrastructure as such. So